Hey, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and welcome to another micro memory planning process. And I am really enjoying this little project because I get to document these little moments without actually doing a full project life or a full scrapbook spread. And I don't actually have an album set up for this year, so these little moments would otherwise, I guess, be lost or just not documented. So I am really enjoying this little project. And these cards that I pulled out, these are perfect. These are from, I want to say it's the Prismatic collection from Becky Higgins. And I thought they were so appropriate since this picture is from like a homework, I guess a homework memory or homework. I'm documenting something about homework. And I just thought that is perfect that they said, I think I can. And this layout is going to be very simple. On one side is kind of just my picture. And then on the other side, I'm just going to do a little bit of journaling. But before I do my journaling, I had to add some extra to this picture. To my journaling card. And I think I got kind of, I don't know, you'll see in a minute. I think I get kind of carried away with adding stuff to the card. And then I had to keep my journaling pretty simple. But this moment, we decided to do homework at the library that day. And basically I needed a breather. Because, okay, here's the story. I work from home. So my office / homework / craft room is all in the same room. And I don't know, some days I just make such a mess. Oh, y'all see, I've had so much fun. This week I decided to pull out all my embellishments. It was so fun to pull out that container and just dump my little color coordinated embellishments because I really have not been using them. So I was really excited to dump that out. So let me get back to the story I was trying to tell. I got excited when I saw all those embellishments. Oh, like I craft, run my online business and do homework, family time. We do everything from the same space. So some days during the day I can make quite the mess. I think I was having a silhouette mishap that day and it was just stuff everywhere and I needed a breather from that room. So I was just writing. We decided to go do our homework in the library and it was just, it's just a breath of fresh air to sit somewhere else and work. And this little journaling card is really making me miss project life because I love doing little things like this. It's just a journaling card, but I am just adding like all the little extras to that card. I even got to dump out my embellishments and have some fun. And I don't know, just adding those little bits and pieces is what made project life so much fun for me. So I'm just gluing my picture down. Oh, and I was trying to figure out trying to make sure I got it as close to one edge as possible since I am going to punch it with the Happy Planner punch. And I didn't want to punch through too much of the picture. So now I am just going to add my journaling. Well, before I add my journal, I'm just outlining my little embellishment cluster because I had so much fun adding all that stuff to this card. And my journaling was pretty simple. I was just writing how it was just a nice change of pace to go somewhere else and do our homework. Let me know if you are enjoying these little processes. I'm having so much fun with this project. It is so much fun, just to document one little moment and not have to, block out a whole lot of time to do a full layout. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.